With this video, let's begin talking about how to start filming. And you can just hold your phone and point the camera at you, but the video is going to come out less good. When you're holding the phone, it's going to shake in your hands. That's going to make the video quality immediately worse. So the solution is to have a little stand. You can have a little stand like this. You see, it's very, very cheap. That can stand on your table. Now, one caution is that if you're doing something on the table, or if you're touching the table, or if you have your hands on the same surface as the stand is on, it's going to actually shake the stand a little bit and shake the camera a little bit. So you're actually still going to have poor quality of video. So if you can put this kind of a stand on an independent surface, and it's going to be able to stand about your head level, not higher, not lower for most videos, that's fine if you can do that. If not, you might want to have a taller one like this, or attach it to a taller one. See, so there's two kinds, right? There's one you can extend the height, or there's one that you can have a little tiny tripod and put it right on your table. So for every situation, there's different ones. If I was doing this, I would actually get both, because you don't want to have them restrict you, because for some of them you need to be up close, for some of them you need to be a little further. You don't want to have constraints from camera angles, because you'll have a ton of other constraints like your setting, everything else, so that at least you should be free to choose how far away you are, what angle you want to have at you. So they're not too expensive, so I would get kind of one of each.